Welcome back to Karis Investment, where investments are made simple. Guys, my name is Ken, entrepreneur investor in the stock market. Now, if you're subscribed to this channel, we make videos of stocks that we're buying and selling that we think are a great opportunity. Now, before I jump into it, guys, we are discussing Novavax. The company has been down 30+% for the day. We have seen it started in the aftermarket yesterday, which was August 8th. Stock price continues to slide, and we'll jump right into it right after these intros. Yes, indeed, guys. Novavax price completely demolished. We saw it in the aftermarket yesterday, and we saw it in the pre-market and also in the regular trading hours. Now, price of the stock has slid to drop below $39 per share after this massive run that we saw from weeks leading up to this. Now, why did the stock price drop so much? Now, as you know, Novavax reported their Q2 earnings miss cut 2022 sales guidance by half. So basically, the company was earlier predicting that they would have made revenue of up to $5 billion. But now they came out and says, hey, we are estimated between $2 to $2.3 billion. That was a massive blow to Novavax. We can see the price that's completely dropped. Now I'm reading the Q2 here. It says Novavax incurred a loss of 6.53 per share. So basically $6.53 per share for second quarter 2022, which missed the estimate of $5.51. In the year ago, Novavax has reported a loss of $4.75. So in simple math, basically sales from the United States are not that great for Novavax, which is ironic because you'd expect they have a deal, but they came late to the party. Basically, when Pfizer and Moderna were loading out, was unloading dose 1 and dose 2 and then the booster, these guys just came out with their vaccine about a month or two ago that got authorized. So that's the main reason why the stock price is actually completely demolished, 30% off of what the price was. And it's crazy because if you're thinking about Novavax, we saw that it closed off the trading session at $57.25. But in the aftermarket, we saw it dips below 38. And then in the open market, we can see it goes as high as $44 per share, but came back down below $39 per share. So I'm going to jump to my screen and let you guys know as usual. Now, this is the daily chart. It's a semi-recovery from what we saw earlier in the day. Let's just make this easier for us to see. So in the morning, we can see that there was a huge rise that crosses $44 per share. But since that time, we have seen it fallen below $39 per share. This is an amazing opportunity if you're trying to get into the trade. Now, I posted a video this morning, I believe just after 8:30 a.m. That says, hey, great opportunity. Please take a look. Now, if you guys watched that video when I posted it, the stock was trading below $39 per share. You could have made a quick profit, right? A quick, easy profit of around 10%, right? And then rebuy at day's low, right? This is why I said, guys, if you're not yet subscribed yet to the channel, do me a huge favor, click that subscribe button, click that notification bell. So next time when I create a video or if I upload a content, you can be notified. Now, the same goes for Upstart Holdings. I created a video earlier is that, hey, drops below $26 in the aftermarket, exploded over 34, and we saw it came back down at 28 and then crosses over 33 again. These are things that I trade on a daily basis. So if I see an opportunity, I will either go live so I can get to you right away, or I can create a video so you can be notified and see what's going on. Guys, this is great opportunity. Now, one of the thing that's really that's bothering me is that the vaccine, for some reason, not many orders are coming from the United States. So basically what they're saying in their release is that I think just under 8,000 doses was administered in the United States. The number may be wrong, but I know it's not more than 8,000. it was 7,000 and something. So in the high 7,000s doses that was administered, right? The CEO even put out a statement that says, um, it says we're not focusing some, we're not forecasting something that we don't have. We're talking with the U.S. government. We don't have a forecast right now. So basically, they're waiting to see if they can get um, more orders from the government. But the issue is right now is that most people is on the third dose for the booster, and they came out a little bit too late to the party. So it's not what they're seeing. And plus, the lower and middle class countries are not really ordering doses that much because most people are thinking, okay, we're almost over that fear of the COVID. So not many orders were in place. So the company is seeing a downtrend. Now, if you recall, I created a video, I believe, a few months back when we saw that Novavax was completely dropped below $36 per share. I urge people at that point that says, hey, great opportunity to buy and hold and sell when it goes up. Now, if most of you guys like myself did buy at that time, you could have made a profit when it crosses over $70 per share. And these are the kind of winnings that we like to see, guys. If you did buy in the low 35, you could have sold above $76. Anywhere from $70 to $76 per share would have been a great opportunity. And that's all we're looking for, short term or long term. As long as we can make anything above 50% or anything from 30 to 60% on these trades, it adds up just like that, right? Because you could have buy at this price here in my last video, and then you could have sell anywhere from above $65 to $75. And if you waited patiently, we saw massive opportunity, which is today, right? This is a great opportunity for anyone that was looking for this stock here. We saw a huge drop in the morning at below $39 per share. It's still currently trading in the low 40s. It's basically testing now between 39.50 to $40.60. It's staying in that range consistently, so you can definitely still make a great trade if you're going long term. Now, a lot of people are being skeptical because of the report, and you have to, you must. This is something that I agree with. Take precaution, and you will see me post on my videos time and time again. Do not invest with money that you don't have to wait, because that's the biggest thing with investing is that when you invest in a stock or in anything, if you don't have money to wait it out, then 9 times out of 10 you either sell too fast, or if it dips too long and you get impatient and you have to sell for a loss, right? So make sure if you're investing in this stock, know that it's going to take a while to get back to where you want to sell. Me personally, guys, each time I sell from these stocks, I keep profit in, take capital out. Sometime if it's a huge jump like that above 30, from 35 to 70, that's almost 80-90%. Take that profit out, and then we'll wait for a pullback. This was a blessing because this was a great opportunity, right? And this is why it's important to always have money on the side, because we saw a ton of deal like this one. We saw Upstart Holdings dip 30% in the aftermarket. And we saw Novavax dip around the same 30% as well in the aftermarket. And this is why I'm saying, guys, it's important to have free cash available. And if you can trade in the aftermarket, it is a great thing because you can go and make quick flips. Like you can make an easy 5-10,000, right, by not trading a lot of capital down, right? So just make sure, again, invest in your budget. Make sure that you're doing your own research to see if this is something for you. But from my point of view, in my opinion, I think this is a great opportunity if you're thinking to go long term. Now, keep in mind, if we take a look back in the last 6 months, we have seen where the company was. Now, if there is a new contract for the vaccine, then definitely they will actually start to rise again. Now, keep in mind as well, we have different variant. So if they start to get order for the Omicron variant, and there's a ton of different things that's coming out, we will see the stock price starts to change in a different direction. Now, as usual, I tell you guys, if you're not yet subscribed, show your support. Click on that subscribe button, click the notification bell. Next time when I post a video, you will be notified and you won't miss another opportunity. Guys, as usual, I'm out right now. Like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, peace out.